You've worked hard for your money. You've saved, scrimped, and budgeted. Now, you're considering investing it in StashAway. But a nagging question lingers: is your money safe there? It's a valid concern. After all, we're trusting a platform with our hard-earned cash. We want to know it's in good hands, right? That's why we're here today. To dive deep into StashAway, peel back the layers, and answer the burning question: is your money safe? Let's start with the basics. What is StashAway? In essence, it's an automated investment platform. You give them your money, tell them your risk tolerance, and they invest it for you in a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds. Sounds simple, right? But is it safe? Safety in the investment world is a complex beast. It's not about guaranteeing returns. No one can do that. It's about protecting your principal, minimizing risks, and ensuring your money is handled responsibly. So, how does StashAway stack up? First, let's talk regulation. StashAway is regulated by the appropriate financial authorities in the countries it operates in. This means they adhere to strict rules and standards. It's like having a financial watchdog looking over their shoulder. While it's not foolproof, it does provide a layer of protection. Next, let's discuss how your money is handled. When you invest with StashAway, your money is held in a segregated account. This means your money is separate from StashAway's own funds. It's like your money is in a locked safe, and StashAway doesn't have the key. This is a crucial safety measure. Diversification is another key factor. StashAway builds diversified portfolios. This means your money is spread across different assets, reducing the risk of losing everything if one investment goes south. It's like not putting all your eggs in one basket. But let's be real. No investment is completely risk-free. Even with diversification and regulation, there's always a chance of losing money. The stock market can be volatile. Economic conditions can change. It's important to understand that past performance is not indicative of future results. So, is your money safe with StashAway? Based on the information available, it seems they have implemented measures to protect your investments. However, it's essential to do your own research, understand the risks involved, and consider your financial goals before making any investment decision. Remember, this is not financial advice. It's simply information to help you make an informed decision. Always consult with a financial advisor if you have specific questions or concerns. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.